Welcome to our Specification Master channel. I hope you are all well. Today we will discuss Superpower America. The country is ranked first among 140 countries. Yeah, Al, that sounds pretty crap to me. Looks like America is a #1 superpower that has no rivals yet. Air, naval, and finance are strong in all respects. Let's find out without delay that America is so strong. Manpower, total population, 332,639,102, available manpower, 146,361,205, 44.0%, fit for service, 121,479,800, 36.5%, reaching middle age annually, 4,251,793, 1.3%, taught military personnel, Est, 2,245,500, 0.7%, active personnel, 1,400,000, 0.4%, reserve personnel, 845,500, 0.3%, paramilitary, 0.0%, air power, total aircraft strength, 13,233, fighters/interceptors, 1,956, 14.8%, dedicated attack, 761, 5.8%, transports, 945, 7.1%, trainers, 2,765, 20.9%. Special mission, 749, 5.7%, tanker fleet, 625, 4.7%, helicopters, 5,436, 41.1%, attack helicopters, 904, 6.8%, land forces, tanks, 6,100, armored vehicles, 40,000, self-propelled artillery, 1,500, towed artillery, 1,340, rocket projectors, 1,365. Naval forces, total assets, 490, aircraft carriers, 11, helicopter carriers, 10, destroyers, 92, frigates, 0, corvettes, 21, submarines, 68, patrol vessels, 13, mine warfare, 8. Natural resources, oil production, 11 million barrel, oil consumption, 20 million barrel, oil proven reserves, 35 billion barrel. Logistics, labor force, 146,128,000, merchant marine fleet, 3,673, ports, trade terminals, 35, roadway coverage, 6,586,610, railway coverage, 224,792, airports, 13,513. Financials, defense budget, 740,500 million US dollars, external debt, 17,910 billion US dollars, foreign exchange/gold, 123,300 million US dollars, purchasing power parity 19,500 billion US dollars. Geography, square land area, 9,826,675 kilometers, coastline coverage, 19,924 kilometers, shared borders, 12,048 kilometers, waterways, usable, 41,009 kilometers. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe and share.